Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at the Switdo 6-liter ultrasonic vinyl record cleaner. A machine designed for collectors who want a fast, thorough, and hands-off way to bring their records back to life. If you've ever spent long sessions brushing, wiping, and manually cleaning LPs, this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Let's start with what this machine actually is. At its core, it's a 6-liter ultrasonic cleaner made from durable SUS 304 stainless steel. Inside, it uses a 40 kHz industrial-grade ultrasonic system that creates millions of microscopic bubbles. These bubbles collapse with enough force to break apart grime, oils, and embedded dust in the grooves of your records. It's the same technology used in dental clinics, labs, jewelry shops, and watchmakers' workshops, but with a specialized record cleaning setup attached. The system includes a mechanical rotating record holder that lets you clean up to 4 vinyl records in a single batch. Instead of making you babysit the process, the machine slowly rotates the records at roughly 2 revolutions per minute. That constant motion exposes every part of the grooves to the ultrasonic waves, eliminating cleaning blind spots you often get with manual brushes or pads. The design also includes spherical buffer spacers so the records don't collide with each other during rotation. Next, let's talk about how you control the machine. There's no digital panel here, just 2 mechanical knobs. One sets your cleaning time anywhere from 0 to 30 minutes, and the other controls the water temperature between 20 and 80 degrees Celsius. The heating system reaches up to 300 watts, which helps soften and lift more stubborn contaminants. Combined with the 180-watt ultrasonic output, you get a very effective dual-action cleaning process. If you like simplicity and reliability, the analog controls are a plus. Setting it up is straightforward. You fill the tank with your cleaning solution, mount your records on the holder, set the time and temperature, and let it run. The machine handles both the rotation and the ultrasonic cleaning automatically. Once the cycle finishes, you simply remove the records and let them air dry or use your preferred drying rack. The whole system feels designed for repeat use. Whether you're a collector with a growing archive or someone running a record shop that needs to clean dozens of discs each week. Even though this cleaner is marketed for vinyl, it's actually versatile enough for many other uses. Because it's a full ultrasonic tank, you can also clean metal parts, tools, glasses, jewelry, and other precision items whenever the record holder is removed. That makes it useful not just for home collectors but also for anyone who wants a general-purpose ultrasonic cleaning machine with the option to clean vinyl as needed. In terms of build quality, the stainless steel construction helps prevent leaks, corrosion, and long-term wear. The tank capacity is large enough to give your records good clearance without splashing or turbulence. The machine weighs a little over 13 pounds, so it's sturdy enough not to rattle around during operation but still easy enough to move when needed. If there's one thing to keep in mind, it's the voltage. This model is designed for 110-volt outlets, so depending on where you live, you might need a step-down converter to use it safely. Aside from that, the feature set makes it a strong option for beginners and serious collectors alike. So after spending time with the Switdo ultrasonic cleaner, here's the bottom line. It's simple, it's effective, and it solves one of the biggest challenges vinyl lovers face: deep cleaning without the frustration of manual scrubbing. Whether you're restoring thrift store finds or maintaining a high-end collection, it offers a reliable, repeatable way to improve the sound and lifespan of your records. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown or want more hands-on product critiques, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next video.